Hello viewers, you're welcome back to today's mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC examination. So this question we're about to share to you, we're about to share almost like a 70 question. It is present 70 question. We are still working hard on it to make it up to 100 question to get prepared for this incoming WAEC examination. If you're writing mathematics, if the mathematics is very important topic, a subject in any kind of exam, so it's very important. So do not joke with this question. This question is more than the Expo that you'll be looking around the Google. This question we are about to share here is almost close to 100 questions that if you can stick to the end of this class, you will 100% understand and have A in this upcoming WAEC examination, because we are going to cover all the syllabus. We did do this class, also this class with our VIP, but we decided to make it free. Okay, we decided to make it free this year, so let other people to also benefit for you. I know many of you may be looking for a class like this that you can have the opportunity to where you can access to mathematics training every single day. So this platform will deliver it, but this question is a VIP class, but we decided to make it free. We decided to make it free. Please, you can motivate us by sharing this video with your friends so others can also benefit from this class. Okay, do not joke. I want to tell you that because last year in the jam we sent out a date, and the jam is the day we predicted like almost like 200 questions, and just be surprised, a lot of the students share testimony and we have a good grade, okay, for a student that did mathematics. So you also can also do the same thing. So the reason why we make this free, because we try to make this not free, because it's more than the Expo should be charging around. So do not joke with this class. So, and most very important, please share with a friend, invite a friend. I'll drop the link to our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp channel. You can join us. So whenever I have updated class or whenever I have any updates, you can join us there. And if you want to ask any question, you can also contact us. So if maybe you are reading and you have a question you find difficult to solve, send it to us. Let us help you make a video like this and solve it in step by step so you can get it. Okay, this question we're about to share with you, do not joke. If you write this upcoming WAEC examination, do not joke with it. Do not joke with this class. It's very important. It's more than the SIC, it's more than the S4. If you don't see exact question, you've seen a question that's 100% similar to it, that you can use the same method you have learned from this class. You can use the same method to solve any question whenever you see any question under it. So it's very important. So guys, so let's dive to it. And if you're new to my platform, you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Emiko. People know me as Emiko. I'm hired by name, but people know me as Emiko. This is my professional work. I also have my field work as an solar installer. So guys, let's see how we are going to make everything simple for us in this upcoming WAEC examination. Mathematics is one of the difficult subjects that you cannot read alone if you don't have someone to guide you. We are here to help you out. So let's say this question is the first question that we are going to dive into in this class. So let's look at the questions. Let me do the pen out. So this is question 1. Okay, I told you we have almost 100 questions, but this is question 1 for this video. So please do not joke with this question. If you want half A in this upcoming WAEC examination, do not joke it. Please subscribe, like, turn the notification button, share this video with your friends so people can benefit from this channel. You can also help people. Okay, so I pray as you share this video, wisdom, more knowledge, understanding, and success in this incoming examination in Jesus' name. So let's dive to it. Let's read the question. If log 3 open bracket 2s minus 1 is equal to 5, come on, find the value of s. And here we have the options. So we are told to find the value of s. Before let's solve it, I would like you to understand something about mathematics or mathematics examination. Whenever you are solving any kind of mathematics problem, maybe in exam or any just means a question, okay, in exam, the first thing to come to your mind is to identify the topic of the question. Okay, because if you identify the topic of the question, you'll be able to know that, okay, what are the rules that guide this topic? Okay, what are the steps they need to take before you solve question under this topic? Some of you just say the question, let me just solve it like this, I'm just what, forget about it. Yes, you may solve it like that. At the end of it, you may get a wrong answer. Okay, when the examiner just marking it, just like this person just tell you the rough things, okay, you have to follow the step by step according to the rules that guide that topic. Now, mathematics, one topic has its own rules and has its own way you solve it. So it's very, very important to identify the topic of any question you will be given. So if you look at this question now, you can know that the question, the topic of this question has already exposed. If it's a lag, it means that topic is under logarithm. Okay, it's on logarithm. So now the question you ask said that this question is under logarithm. First thing to come to your mind is that, okay, in all the law of logarithm, right, for the SS1, it be taught logarithm or to find a number less than 1, do that, so like blah blah like that. But if you look at the SS3 one, you have a law of logarithm that we said that we have expression, we have different like 5, 6 law of logarithm. So which of we just remember the law of logarithm that looks like this expression we have here. So if you look at it now, if you still remember the law of logarithm, that is simple equation of logarithm that states that if you have like this, we have log of log a, okay, log a base b is equal to s. Or some textbook we just find as the log of what of a, we have m is equal to what, n. So it's almost the same thing that a b and log base a b is equal to s. It's the same thing as a log a m is equal to n. It's almost the same thing, some of the same expression. Now, whenever you see this kind of expression in logarithm, the solution to this problem is equal to this a is raised to the power of s, and the answer given is this b. This likewise, this a raised to the power of this n, and the answer given is this what, m. That's very simple way. Okay, let me just write it out the way I explain it down. I say a is raised to the power of s, the answer given is what, is this b. That is the solution to this law of log log base a, b is equal to s. That is the solution to it. So it means that the solution to this expression in equal to, we have a raised to the power of this s, that is s, and answer given is this what, is this b. The answer given is this b. Likewise, what we have here, some of the same thing is also equal to, we have a raised to the power of this n, okay, raised to the power of this n, and the answer given is this what, m we have here. Now, since you can recall this one from the law of logarithm, now you saw this question, it is very easy. What you just have to compare what we have here with what we have, the expression we have here, and then we get the answer. Now let's compare it down and see what happens. Here we have a, and a represents as 3 here, so let's just write it as our a represents as 3 here, okay. And here we have b, and b represents as this bone. You see, they have b is already in it's in 2 parts here. We have 2s minus 1, and it is b here, so you can say that our b now is equal to, that is 2 or 2s minus 1. Hope you're getting it now. It's just what, step by step. Now this next thing here we have s, okay. This s is represented as after equal to we have s, and now after equal to we have 5 here. So definitely we have our s is equal to 5. Now you can see that I've compared what we have here to the question be given. That is all I say, that it's very important to identify the topic of any question in exam, because it will help you to solve the question accurately without having any problem, and you get your answer correctly. Okay, you know, some answer have everything. Some answer may be -2 and -3. So if you don't solve it well, you think that -2 may be the answer, but the answer is you get your answer as 2. So you made a mistake because you don't follow the rules that guide that particular topic. Now we have compared what we have here to this we have here. So it simply means, so let's get the solution of it now. That simply means that we have a log, okay. We have, let me write the question out. We have the log of 3, okay, open bracket, that is 2 what, s minus 1 close bracket, and everything is equal to 5. So when you have this log of this, according to what we have here, we compare this, our a is equal to 3, we are compared with this, almost the same as this, okay. Now it means that this one to be equal to, the answer to this is to be equal to, since we said that our this expression is equal to a raised power of s, means that this 3 is raised power of this 5, and the answer given is 2s minus 1. That's simple. So let's dive in now. We have 3 raised power of what, of this 5, okay, is equal to 2 what, 2s minus 1. As very simple as that. Hope you guys understand it now. It's very simple, right? Now, so from this place now, what is the next step? Okay, how will you go to solve it when you have an expression like this in mathematics? This is called simple equation. Now it's comprised of indices. The first part is indices here, and second part is just a point equation, linear equation here. So now how do we solve this question? Now if you see this question of expression like this, now to solve this question when you have an expression like this in mathematics, the first thing is to first of all deal with this index parts to make it more easy. This one means that 3 raised power of 5. It means that 3 multiply itself in 5 times. That simply means we have a 3 times 3 times 3, okay, times 3 times 3. So how many times do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it multiplies itself in 5 times to be equal to that will be 2 or 2s minus 1. How you get it now? Now since you have expressed like that, so let's multiply what they have. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that will give us 243. That is 243. I get down to be equal to, we have 2 or 2s minus 1. Now since you're getting that now, this will give us a very simple equation. Here is equal to, we have 2s minus 1. What we just have to do here is this one is 243, and here you have 2s minus 1. If you look at it now, this will give us a very simple equation. The next thing to do here is to collect what? The like time. Okay, you collect the like time, the one that look alike, they are from the same family. So if you look at it now, you see that 243 is a number and 1 is a number. Here is the combination of number and letter, which is totally different from ordinary number. So either you take this one to this side, or you take this number we have here to this side, because we are looking for the value of s. Now to make it more easy, let's take this one, this minus 1, let's take it to this side. I get now. Now when you are taking minus across this bridge, this equal to, it's just like a bridge. It's a sign that usually affects any sign that is what crosses it. If this negative causes this equal to, the sign will change to positive. Minus here, if you come to this place and touch this equal to, it will automatically change to positive. Okay, let's bring it like that. If this place is plus, it will change to negative, but this place is minus now. So when you talk to this place, turn to a plus. So let's take it down, it will be equal to, the first of all, so we write the word that's already at this part, that is 2, let's give out 243, okay. So let's take this one to this part, that give us plus, when it comes, minus when it comes to this place, when it touches equal to, it turn to what? It turn to plus. We have plus what? Take this one, that is 1. We have equal to, and write this very nice plus, that is equal to 1. We have 2s left here. Now we have a second question, 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1, that's equal to what? 244. Okay, it's equal to 2 what? S. Now, we have a very simple equation here now. We're supposed to find the value of s, and here we have 2s is equal to 244, or 244 is equal to 2s, it's almost the same thing. Now the second question now, in this step now, what are the steps we should follow now? What is the step to follow now to get your real answer of s? If you look at this way, you get s, and s attached to 2. So what can you do to remove this 2 from this place? The first thing, the best way to solve it is to remove this 2 from this way, whereby you divide both sides by the coefficient of what? Of this s, and the coefficient of this s is what? Is 2. So you divide both sides by 2, okay, divide both sides by 2. So also divide this side by what? By 2. So let me try the great I think that place does not contain it. So we divide both sides by 2, sorry, let me bring my pen out. So we divide this side by what? By 2. Okay, so it means that this 2, we cancel this 2. Okay, so let me try to write it here. So it means that we have a 2 here, we have 2 in 144, that is us 122. So therefore we have 122 equal to what? S. Or you can say is that we have our s is equal to 122. So therefore the solution to this expression, to this problem, is equal to 122. I hope this class is very interesting. So the value of s now is equal to 122, which option is option D. Very simple. I get it down. This is what step by step, and this is the first question. So let's move to the second question that you should not also joke with. Please, if you like this video and if you like the way I break it down, don't forget to subscribe, like or stingy, but in case what we are benefit like this, then will be the first on the file. And don't forget to share with your friend. That's very, very important. Sorry, it has take it out. That is very, very important, so you can also help others to benefit from this class. Thank you. Let's meet in the next class for the second video. Immediately after this video, I will drop the link in the comment section, and if you want to join our Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel, you can ask a question from there. Go to the comment section or in the description of this video. You'll see the link to join our WhatsApp or Telegram channel, which I'll be waiting for you. Thank you, and let's meet in the next question, in the next class rather.